If somebody is a smoker, how are they going to react to C60? Any products discussed have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Any products discussed are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, prevent, or mitigate any disease.
Individual results may vary. Well, one of the things that C60 does, it's obviously a detoxifier. So if you're smoking and you take C60, you're going to, sometimes you can get a little bit of a reaction and you need to take more water. But one of the things that C60 does, it also benefits, mental health and brain function. So actually we've had a lot of people's desire to smoke actually goes down when taking C60. So those are kind of two benefit things. And after about a week of taking C60, even if you're a smoker, you feel better. A lot of customers report that. And they also report that their desire to smoke goes down as well.
Yeah, I've heard some people even say that when they start smoking, they start to feel nauseated, in which case that inspires them to just wean off the cigarettes.
Well, part of that is probably increased brain function, and it's just making all the brain cells are working now much better, and the brain is telling you, well, smoking is not good for you. Stop it. And that probably is how C60 causes that nausea.
Do you recommend people, if they're smoking, to stop smoking?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ken.